Hello guys, welcome back to SheCodes. So in our SQL series where we are solving some LeetCode questions, I'm back with another brand new question, department top 3 salaries. Okay, so let's start with the question. This question provides us two tables, employee and department. Now employee table has 4 columns, ID, name, salary and department ID. Your ID is the primary key for that table, and name is the employee name, salary is the respective salary of that employee, and department ID is the ID of the department where that employee is working. Okay, and this department table, this table contains the ID of that department and name of that department. Now the question says that a company's executive, they are interested in seeing that which employees earn the most in that company's department. Okay, in different department, which employees working earning the most. Okay, and top 3 employees, the employees with top 3 unique salaries for that particular department are represented as high earner. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to write a solution to find the employees who are high earners in each department. Okay, and we can return the result in any order. Now we have an example over here. We have an employee table and department table. As you can see in the output table, the department division is done. Okay, because the department table contains only 2 departments, that is IT and sales. Okay, and we have the information of that department, that these many employees are working and in those 2 departments, and these are their respective salaries. Okay, as you see the output table, we got the top 3 unique salaries of that particular department. Okay, in the IT department, Max, Joe, Randy and Will are the high earner. Okay, as you can see in the IT department, there is a tie for the second highest salary. Okay, so this output is showing both the salaries. Okay, both the employees with that salary. Fine, and it is also showing us the third highest salary. Fine, in the sales department there are only 2 employees because the employee table contains only 2 employees for the sales department. Okay, so we have to write a SQL query for same. Now as you can see, the output requires the combination of both the tables. So for that we will be joining these 2 tables. So for that we will be taking data from employee table, employee E, here E is an alias or instance for this table. We will join the table department D. Okay, on what basis we are joining? On the basis of department ID. Okay, here we have department ID and here we have our, on the basis of department ID and ID. Okay, so we are joining these 2 tables on the basis of the department ID and ID column. Now what we require is, we require department name, employee name and the salary of that employee. Okay, so for that we will select e.name as employee. Okay, as employee, then e.salary as salary. Third thing is department name, so we will be getting that department name from our department table. So d.id as department. Okay, now the third thing is we need to require to rank the salary of employee table in such an order that both the department get their high earner. Okay, so for that we need to partition the departments. First we need to partition them on the basis of the department ID, and then we will rank the salaries because each department have their high earner. Okay, and as said in the question, I am explaining again, as said in the question, high earner are the top 3 unique salaries of that particular department. Okay, so for that we will be ranking the salary and then we will be retrieving the data. Okay, that we are using dense rank window function. Now this is a tool in our SQL which helps us to rank the particular data in a column, okay, such as salaries, or we need to rank something else. So we can use this dense rank window function to provide ranking to our columns. Okay, there's another function rank as well present in an SQL. Okay, now what does dense rank do is, dense rank returns us the relative position of particular rank. Okay, so and it also ignores the gap between when there are two rows with same ranking, then this dense rank function does not ignore the next coming rank. Okay, it includes it, as we require top 3 earners. Okay, now in the first department, IT department, there are 2 employees which has second highest salary. So this function will include both the employees and it will also return us the third highest salary. Okay, so this is the function of this dense rank window function. So after dense rank we will write over. Okay, this keyword is used like on what you are using this function. Okay, so dense rank over. We will use our partition by clause. Partition by clause gives the partition to particular column, as we require partition in our department IDs because we need to get the top 3 earners of particular department. Okay, so for that we are using partition by e dot department ID. Okay, we require partition over here, so we will write partition by e dot department, and then we will use our order by clause on e dot salary. Okay, and in which order we want to return it? In descending order. Okay, as we require the highest earner at top position. Okay, so we will use the order by clause which will order our salary in descending order, and we will name this subquery, this particular function, as our salary rank. Okay, and we will use this particular query as our subquery, and we will retrieve the data from this subquery. Okay, we will name it as with, suppose, rank salary. Okay, rank salary as, now this will be our subquery. Select, we will select our employee. Okay, we will select our salary and we will select our department. From our this table, rank salary table, we will apply the condition where this column, salary rank, less than equal to 3. Okay, so this will return us the top 3 salaries of particular department. Okay, let's run this query and check if it is correct or not, if it is working or not. Okay, so now our query is correct and we got our expected output. Let's understand again what exactly happened, what exactly we did in this query. First, we selected our employee, salary and department. Okay, the only thing you have to keep in mind over here is we used a window function. This is a window function over this particular line. That is, first we partitioned the department and then we used the order by clause to order it. Okay, we first partitioned the department and then we applied the order by clause on that department in descending order. Okay, and this dense rank function then ranked the salaries. Okay, after applying this query, then we retrieved the data from our subquery. That's it, we did this much only. Okay, so do practice this question in your LeetCode, do share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, subscribe SheCodes, and like the video if you like this tutorial. Thank you, bye bye, happy coding.